water pollution.
I'm a survivor from the oil spill on the Gulf of Mexico, and it's not funny at all because like 8 people died total, and there was a lot of oil, and I was smoking when walking by, and just by throwing my cig in there, basically half the ocean lit up on fire, and I killed a bunch of innocent birds, and I haven't been able to sleep since, and I feel very guilty. And that night haunts me every day of my life and every night. And I can't evade it because I took a part in this pollution. And this water pollution, it not only affected sea life, but it affected us down in the chain reaction of events. It affected all of us because once it evaporated, the oil and the carbon and the nitrogen was still in the water. And it rained down on us upon our agriculture and food as acid rain, and it destroyed many cash crops and thus polluting our only 1% of fresh water that we have. Lack of water, guys. I'm horrified. The stench. Yeah. I can't take this anymore. This pollution has gone too far. This rubber basketball has been decaying for 15 years in here, and it has gone unnoticed. We must take a stand against pollution, water pollution. Do you smell that?
When boaters go into the water and they don't wash off their boats, the chemicals from the boats go into the water.
And what does that cause?
Pollution.
Wow.
Thank you.
Super.
Pick it up, nigga. Where to? Oh, hold on.
Yeah, we have to grab it again. Okay, so some of you may be asking, why should we do something about this? And there's many reasons, but one of the biggest reasons is that water pollution leads to a shortage of fresh water that people can drink, and this leads to wars. Innocent children are dying, houses burning, all through the rage of war over this water. And half the water that's fresh isn't even fresh, it's very much polluted, and we have to do something about this. And it may not be a big deal to you because maybe sipping some tap water, which is fresh, which is clean, like me, you know, but it's just not right because other people are suffering out there in the world due to water pollution. Because water pollution, it all trickles down to every other thing that involves water, including our drinking water and other subjects of water.
Are there any reasons why something should be done?
If we just treat the ocean like a garbage can, then we're not going to have any clean water for us to drink. Or, you see with global warming, our icebergs are melting and our freshwater capacity is becoming limited. And if we don't control our actions and help to preserve the environment,
Yes.
if we don't help preserve the environment, then soon there's not going to be any environment left for us to live in. So,
I agree. Thank you. What are some solutions to water pollution?
well, water pollution is a big issue, but if we had stronger enforcement by the government, because you can be fined for littering or littering in the water, but stronger enforcement by the government would be a solution. Also, there are new technologies being invented to help faster cleanup, and it just gets spreading awareness about the effects that water pollution has would kind of deter people from using water as their garbage can. So,
Really? Anything more?
nope.
No? All right.
So.
Thank you.
Water pollution is bad because it's ruining our drinking water and our clean water source, and it's hurting the environment.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, don't litter.
Thank you.
Pollution needs to stop now. It has gone too far. All this water here, this is all we have. This is all that's left. All the water that ever was on this earth is going to stay on this earth. We must take a stand against water pollution because it affects everything directly, including our drinking water. Wars are fought over this. Wars are fought over this scum that has been polluted. We have to take a stand. It's now or never.